Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you Lord. We need to massage our face to use this one guys, it's good. We will try, this is my first time to do it in my face guys. If you are not lazy, you can do like this guys. Yes. Yan. Thank you so much guys for watching. And God bless us. Yan. Yan. We will massage our face guys.